Hey, it's Lori Shira with Keller Williams Realty and the Shira team. I am so excited to share with you what I've been learning and mastering on offering you this virtual tour of a beautiful home here in Boynton Beach, Florida. And bear with me, I'm not a professional perfectionist on doing the virtual open house, but I'm working on it, and I hope that you'll enjoy this. So please hang on 1 second while I get you to the pictures that I'd love to share with you. And here we go. So this is 12440 Mount Bora Drive, and this is located in Valencia Cove, and it's a wonderful 55 plus community. This is the exterior, obviously the front of the home, and you can see how beautiful the landscaping is that this house has. So let me take you for a deeper tour. Beautiful front curb appeal. And what you can notice on this house is a little glass side light, and there's a glass transom above, which means there's going to be plenty of light coming into this house. Beautiful foyer. It's a great ambiance, nice high ceilings when you first walk in, and amazing wall space for artwork and all of your little knickknacks. Here's another view of the foyer from the great room. And one of the things I'd love to point out here is the floors. They're absolutely beautiful porcelain tile. They're very neutral and they go with everything. We have a beautiful open great room and dining room here in this house. Again, with some really nice detail, crown molding detail, lots of windows, lots of light, and great news is these are impact windows, so carefree. Here's another view of the formal dining area and the foyer, and I have some other great shots that'll show you how open this floor plan really is. It's a terrific Bimini floor plan, which is one of the most popular floor plans from Valencia Cove, and actually the builder is GL Homes, and they are still building this in their new community right now. Great open floor plan. Some other angles. Can't wait to show you the kitchen. So this is what you're looking at if I were coming in from the patio area outside and looking into the great room, the dining room, the kitchen. You can note the kitchen has really nice upgraded wood cabinets, granite countertops, and we'll get a closer look at that as well. Here's our great room again. Here's a bit close up of a kitchen with the breakfast area. Again, really open. You've got 2 sets of double windows surrounding the breakfast area. So lots of pretty light coming in, and you can enjoy this beautiful landscaping that's been planted around the perimeter of this house. Again, great kitchen shot. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I love to sit at a bar stool, whether I'm at someone's house or at a restaurant. So if this were my home and you were coming to visit me, I'd love to have you sit and visit with me while I fix your dinner and fix a drink for you. Stainless appliances and a double oven. Lots of cabinet space, lots of counter space. And this is what you'd be looking at. If you were the chef of this house and in this kitchen, you'd be looking out into your beautiful great room. Master bedroom. I actually have some other shots I want to show you of the rest of this home that let me just advance a little bit to here. Bear with me 1 second. And we're going to look at some other pictures here. Okay, here we go. There's just some really great tours, a little bit moving tour about the great room. And I know I showed you a couple of other pictures of that, but I want to kind of give you an idea of how this house lays out and what you're experiencing when you're in the great room and looking all the way to the dining room or to the foyer. This is a super, super open floor plan. And you can see that you have a total panoramic view of everything here. And I'll get you right back to the great room. I love this floor plan. It's so easy to function in here. Let's go to the kitchen, because I know we tend to spend a lot of time in our kitchens. And this is what it looks like when you are the cook. Again, you get to see everybody. If people are sitting in the family room or in the dining room, you get to visit with them because you have a total overview of what the whole layout is. Master bedroom. Here we go. So plenty of wall space, plenty of light coming in, plenty of room. There's lots of room. Some people actually put a little settee or a little couch in here. King size bed, lots of room for plenty of furniture. Two really ample walk-in closets. And in this house, the closets have some beautiful organizers. So you don't have to worry about where you put your things. And my favorite about Florida lifestyle is the patio. I love an opportunity to sit outside and listen to the birds and hear the wind rustle. So this house has a great living space where you can sit outside and be fully covered just in case it does rain. You will not get wet. And while you're out here, you can enjoy that pretty landscaping that I mentioned to you about prior. I want to go back and show you a couple of other terrific pictures of the clubhouse. One of the reasons why people love this community is the amenities here at the clubhouse. This is an aerial view of Valencia Cove, and you can see this is surrounded by water. It's just, it's almost like a moat. You're almost like at the castle with a moat. Fabulous way to see what the amenities are here. You've got tennis courts and pickleball courts. There's bocce courts and 3 pools. One is a recreation pool, a resistance pool, and a lap pool. This clubhouse is got a lot of activities to offer. There's a great fitness center. There's a bistro, which is open for breakfast and lunch. And of course, there are card rooms and billiards and a demonstration kitchen. And I'm going to show you more about the inside of the clubhouse here as well. This is the beautiful entry that you see when you first drive in. Beautiful fountains with lagoons. There's a little bit of the parking lot, so you won't run out of space for your guests. And this is some of the interior meeting rooms, waiting rooms here at the clubhouse. Beautifully done. You would think you're in a fabulous resort hotel. Just great detail. Nothing was spared. No detail was spared. You can see that there in this covered area, there are some tables and chairs outside. When the weather's nice, people love to play cards outside or just sit and visit. This is a great view of some of the pool areas. You'll notice that there are some covered areas, like these little tented areas. If you're like me, I don't really like to be in the direct sun. Got to watch your skin. So you can have an opportunity to protect yourself and go into the shaded little cabana areas here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Looks like a hotel, and this could be your clubhouse. Usually it's not empty like this. This is the wonderful ballroom, and it's set up for lots of different functionality. You can see some of the chairs are set up like stadium seating. There are many times that there are shows that are put on here. They do have some outside entertainment that comes, but there's always a lot going on here. It's a fun place to be. Beautiful foyer when you first come into the clubhouse. And just to give you an idea of how expansive the hallways are in here. Billiards, as I mentioned. This is the arts and crafts room and a multi-purpose room. Some of the card rooms. And this is the fitness area for the classes. And the bistro, breakfast and lunch. And if you have a house full of company, you don't have to cook. You don't have to get your kitchen dirty. You can just bring them here. Fitness center. So after you go to the bistro, you can work out and burn off some of those extra calories. There's cardio equipment, ellipticals, bicycles, treadmills, and some weight equipment. And of course, there's some auxiliary equipment like some of the balance balls and the tension bands, the tennis courts and pickleball courts. Everything is beautifully maintained. This is a demonstration kitchen. There are some cooking classes and some goodies like that. The tennis area, you can take a little break in between sets and visit with your friends. Another view of the tennis courts, the bocce courts. Bocce has become a very big sport in Florida, as pickleball has, and I understand they have some very intense games here going on in the bocce ball courts. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour of 12440 Mount Bora Drive. If you would like to have your own private tour of this home, either online or in person, please contact me. I'd love to provide that for you. I wish you a fabulous day. Stay well, stay safe. And it's Lori Shearer with the Shearer team. Have an awesome day.